All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create text messages that you can send out via automation to your clients or customers. So in the menu on the left, you'll see the automations options. This is where we are actually starting from, but if you're not there, go to the menu and click automation. You'll need to go to create workflow here at the top to create a new workflow. Hit start from scratch. And then we have our title here at the top. We have AI here working in the middle here. If you are wanting to make something and you don't really know how to create it, you can always type this in here. And it'll give you an idea of where to start from and how to create it, and then create one for you in the middle. But we're starting one from scratch. So I'm going to change the name up here. Let's do client text messages. And then in the middle here, we're going to start with add new trigger. Now you can add a trigger by doing a form, um, tags. Um, there are different options that you can use to add for the trigger in here. So when I click on add trigger, we're going to actually use, just for simplicity, a tag. So contact tag is what we're selecting. And then we are going to click on add filters, click select, and then tag added. We're going to do, uh, let's say new lead. If you don't have new lead already in here, if you see this blue button right here that says add new tag, you'll just click on that button right there and it'll add it if it's not already in there. All right, so we have tag added. We're going to do save trigger. Okay, so now you'll know that whenever you add a tag new lead to your contact, then this will start the workflow. All right, so now what do we want to happen after we start the workflow? Now, this is when we want to send out the text message. So we'll click on the plus here. Now we have to select the action. So let's type in SMS and we'll do a send SMS. If you already have a template for it, you can just click on the drop down for that. If not, you'll just type it down here in the bottom. Let's say we're going to do hi, and then we can actually add there some personalization here. So we'll just click on the tag button here. We're going to click on contact, and then we can do first name, last name, full name, however you would like to address them. Let's do first name. And then I'm going to put a comma there, and then let's say we'll do a nice to meet you at the networking event. Here is a brochure of my services. And then let's say you want to put a link in here. So you can definitely put a link in here. So let's say that's the link. But you can put a link in here. It'll allow them to click it. If you want to add an attachment, you can also add an attachment as well too. It can either come from your computer or from media storage. All right, so once you've created that, you can test it if you want to by putting in your phone number and just send the test version of it to make sure that it's working. Other than that, this will be complete. So you'll just click on, let me move this out of the way. Click on Save Action here. And that's how you set up a automation for sending out text messages. Oh, also make sure you click Save when you're done. All right.